Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most beautiful classic cocktails for you. The classic Pink Lady cocktail. It is interesting to know that the name of this cocktail was given in the honor of the Broadway star Hazel Dawn in 1911, who was known as the Pink Lady. I hope you will like this recipe. Let's start by rimming a cocktail glass with sugar. I will take a small piece of lemon, and rub it very lightly on the rim of the glass. Always use caster sugar instead of powder sugar for better results. Now I will slowly move the glass on the sugar. In this way sugar will be stuck to the rim of the glass. This is not a very tough job. I know you will be able to do this perfectly. Give little jerk to remove loose sugar from the rim. The glass is now perfectly rimmed. Let's make the cocktail. I will pour 1½ ounce of London dry gin. You can use any gin of your choice. 1 ounce of lime mix. Lime mix is less sour and lighter than lemon juice. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. 1 ounce of simple syrup. You can easily make it at home, by simply mixing equal parts of sugar and water. 1/4 ounce of grenadine syrup. Grenadine is a pomegranate-flavored syrup, and generally used to give color to the cocktail. Pouring little egg white. Egg white is used to improve the texture of the cocktail by creating froth. You are watching Spice Trail. Now I will put a few ice cubes in the shaker, and shake vigorously to create little froth in the cocktail. I am using the shake and strain method to make this cocktail. And if you want to know more about this mixology technique, please write to me in the comment box. I will definitely make a video on this topic. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will fix a cocktail strainer on the shaker, and pour the cocktail straight up into the glass. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. If you have any questions about this recipe, please feel free to write to me. I will be happy to hear from you. Now I will use a beautiful dehydrated lemon slice to garnish this cocktail. The classic Pink Lady cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your beautiful life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. See you soon with another exciting recipe. Till then, keep watching.